Namaste, Didi.
Namaste Divya. What has happened to your leg?
My leg is paining.
Oh.
I can't
Did you
dance.
check whether there's a fracture or something?
There is a hairline.
Hairline fracture? Oh my God.
So can
Sit
I
down.
sit?
Yes, please. You sit down. Today we are going to take Javli, and in today's class, Javli anyway you have to learn the Abhinaya part of it. So first, whatever I teach you, you learn while sitting. Then maybe once you can get up and learn where to go, how to use the space.
Okay.
That is all. Once you can do. So be careful with your leg and get well soon.
Thank you.
And today is Javli. You know what is a Javli, right? Javlis are done after the second part of a Margam,
Yes.
just before
Before
Tilava.
Tilava.
Okay. They are very light songs, light poetry or light songs, done on either teasing a person or a love song.
Love song.
Mostly it is a
Love
love song. In that, whatever the Vinaya comes, it is done. And these are, in today's Javli, we are going to do it in Telugu.
Telugu.
This is in Ragam Paras and Adital. I'll tell you the concept of what it says, this today's Javli. The heroine is eagerly waiting for the day to become night, so that in the night time, every day, her lover or her beloved comes to see her. So she's very happy. So when it becomes night, she says, "Oh my God, he will come now, let me go and get ready." So she goes and gets ready, washes her face, does all the alankarams, whatever she has to do, to be very presentable towards him. So when she does that, then she hears a knock, she goes to the door. When she goes to the door, she sees a girl, a maid who comes with a letter for her. So she takes the letter and reads, it's from her beloved, who has written that he will not be coming. So she becomes the disappointment, the languish and the disappointment, and then she gets very angry in the first place because he has already gone to another lady, which she cannot take it. And then that anger becomes, self-pity and, the sadness and everything. And she tells her Saki, I cannot tolerate this. I am very depressed. So, this is how Chelli Nenetlu says, how will I, bear this kind of a pain? I am not able to bear this. What is wrong? And, she questions, what is wrong? Where it went wrong? And he is not here. And all my alankaram, whatever I have done, has gone waste. I did everything for him. It has all gone waste. So, she asks her Saki or tells her what she feels about it. Okay.
So which Naika?
Here, she waits and you tell me which Naika. I told you the story. She waits for him.
Virod Kantita or Virod Kantita?
Mostly, yeah, it is Virod Kantita because she waits for him and then she laments.
He knows Virod
Yes, it is Virod Kantita. It's not Kantita because she doesn't scold. So she laments. Okay. So the song goes, Chelli nenetlu sahinchune, Chelli nenetlu sahinchune, Chelli nenetlu sahinchune, Chelli nenetlu sahinchune, Alavanento varninchune, Alavanento varninchune, Chelli nenetlu sahinchune. She says, how can I describe his, describe him? He's very handsome, and his, the way he walks is like this, the way he dresses up. So it comes one by one. So in the first thing, how we are going to start this Javli is the heroine comes in, sees that the day is dawning and then gets ready.
Okay.
Okay, so she will come walking. I'll show you. You just watch me, you don't have to walk. Then later on you can walk. From inside you give the entry, then she walks very casually. She walks, and then from day to dawn, during that time, this thing is going to come, my beloved is going to come. Keep watching, and then you remember that you have to get ready. Okay, then suddenly you go wash your face, wipe your face, okay,
Yes, yes.
and then go to the cupboard, get the basket with all your toiletries and sit down. Do that. You walk and come. Yes. Then day has become night. This time, my beloved is going to come. Yes. Oh. Day. No, you have to say.
Suddenly,
Oh,
no.
I should go and get ready. So, let me go and get ready. You can just walk plain. No need to keep your hand like this. Just walk. And then wash your face. Wipe it with the towel. Put it there. And then from the next cupboard, you take the old basket and keep it in front of you. You sit down at that time. Okay? Keep it there. Okay? Then what you do is take the oil. This is the oil bottle. Okay? Take the oil. Put little. Keep it back. Then do this. Then you take the comb your hair nicely. Then there is knots. Take out the knots. Okay, yeah. Then you take out that extra hair and put it there. And then you have to do the plait. Nicely you plait and put it behind. Yes. Now it is done. Take the mirror. Once you must do with the comb, whatever in the front.
Yes.
Make it all right. Yeah, here and all you have to make it all right. No? Yes. Now you are satisfied. Now don't keep the mirror down. Keep it here only. Then put little chandan or powder, what do you call it? Yes. Then take the kajal, put it in the eye and suddenly it gets into the eyes. Then for a minute, yes. And then again you put it in the eyes nicely. Yeah. Take the kumkum, put it on your forehead. Yes. So you are satisfied with that. And then you keep. Do till that.
Yes.
You are coming walking. So you can tell in your mind,
Yes.
next is what, next is what, next is. As and when you are telling, then you will remember what hands to do. Takka dimmi takka jannu takka dimmi takka jannu kadimmi takka jannu takka dimmi takka jannu dimmi 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 takka jannu takka dimmi takka jannu takka dimmi takka jannu dimmi takka jannu dimmi takka jannu takka dimmi takka jannu dimmi takka janu, 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 dimmi takka janu. Yes, takka dimmi takka janu, dimmi takka janu, 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 takka dimmi takka. So you finished all your makeup things is done. Now you are going to take from the next box here. Then open it. Takka dimmi takka janu, takka dimmi takka janu, dimmi takka janu, takka dimmi takka janu, takka janu, takka dimmi takka. You have to put like this.
Left side, right side.
Whichever side.
Okay.
Huh? It should be like this. This mudra. And put. Like that. You have to hold it near the nose. She's putting the nose ring.
Okay.
And she has to. Yes. Takka dimmi takka jan. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Then takka dimmi takka janu. Put bangles. Like this. Like this. You take out the bangles, put it, and shake your hands and see. Yes. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi. It fits like this. Takka dimmi takka janu. Yes. So now you have put all the ornaments. Okay. Then you can put the payal and the belt also. Yeah. Takka dimmi takka janu.
Then
Another leg. Takka dimmi. You can even put your leg out like this. If you can put that leg out. Yes, like that. Take out that. Put it. Takka dimmi takka janu. Then look at that. And then takka dimmi takka janu, takka dimmi takka janu. Actually sitting, instead of putting this belt, we can do it later.
Okay.
Now with the payal you finished. Now you close this. Yeah. Take a basket of flowers.
Oh.
Takka dimmi takka janu, takka janu, takka dimmi takka.
Make a glass.
Make a gala, this a veni. Then it's very nice. Make it into half, fold it and put it, and put a pin here, put a pin there. Takka dimmi takka janu. See, so many details. Okay. Then after that, now is the time to wear the sari and the belt.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay, before that, again we can.
again you have to see takka dimmi takka janu. Then you are thinking about it, what you would say, and then you are very shy. Okay. Then keep the mirror. Take the whole, push the whole thing aside. Takka dimmi takka janu. Now you get up. Then you get up. Then you walk. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. You are looking at yourself in the mirror. This side. And then this side. And this side. Then you take the belt. Takka janu. Takka dimmi. Then you hear the bell.
Then no.
The knock.
Knock.
Knock. Takka dimmi takka janu. Dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi. That is not the noise of what is coming. You are hearing, but then it is not him. Okay? Do up till this, then I'll show you some.
Very interesting.
So many details. You can
Yes.
show very at a leisure pace all the details. When you show the details and when you are going to bring out the bhavam, then the involvement of the audience also will be there. What next? Right. So do that. Takka Jannu, takka dimmi, takka jannu, takka dimmi. Up till the makeup you remember,
Yes,
no?
yes,
Now
yes.
putting on the
Ornaments.
ornaments. Come. Takka dimmi, takka jannu. Dimmi, takka jannu. Now since it's a big jimki, you are going to do like this. Yeah. Takka jannu, takka dimmi. Jannu, takka dimmi, takka jannu. Dimmi, takka jannu. You are looking at the necklace. You are very proud. Takka dimmi, takka jannu. Dimmi, takka jannu. Takka dimmi. Take this, slightly tight, you push it in, and then, yeah, put all the angutis. Yeah, even in this finger. In this hand, see,
hand.
you are putting in this and this. In this also
Both
you
hand,
can,
both.
both the hands. Two fingers, more than that, it will. Dimmi takka jan. Then take the golusu. No, golusu on the leg. You have to wear. Takka, payal, jannu, takka, dimmi. See, it's like this. You tie. Yeah. Around the leg. Yes. Takka, jannu. Then take out that other leg and then takka, dimmi, takka, jannu. Up till that. Then takka, dimmi, jannu, takka, dimmi, takka, jannu. Very nice. Now you tie the veni. It's nice. It's very fragrant and you are putting it, put the clip on that. Yes. And then close it, keep it there.
Like, again show them.
Yeah. Takka dimmi takka jannu, dimmi takka jannu. Then you walk, go to the sari wardrobe. You see, take one. Then you, no, you must think, was I wearing that time also the same one? Like that. No. Just think for a second and then do one. Then take another sari. Yeah, this is good. Then takka dimmi takka jannu, takka dimmi takka jannu, dimmi takka jannu, takka dimmi takka. You have to turn in front of the mirror, 2-3 angles. And then takka dimmi takka jannu, kadimmi takka jannu, takka dimmi takka jannu. Then from here only, while you are tying, you look like that. Who's come? With the leg. You are tying and seeing who's come. Not he.
Good.
Not he. So you say, not he. Not he. Okay? And then you take another box. Okay? Now you are going to, your lips are not red yet. So you have to get ready for that also. Because usually that's a very important one. Putting beetle leaf. So you take that nicely, you sit down. You wipe the vettala, okay? Keep it here. Take out that. Take chunam. Put it in this. Keep the beetle nut. Fold it. The tongue should be there. Then you keep munching it and make some more beadas. Like that. Keep it in a plate. Take one more. So 2-3 you make and then take this. Everywhere you are sprinkling the rose water. So the fragrance is all like room freshener, you call it nowadays. Similarly, it is the rose water. There used to be a container like this in silver, inside which they used to pour the rose water. You take that and do everywhere. Okay? Keep this aside. And now you are ready for this. Then you take the mirror. You see how red your lips has become. See? You have to look at me one second. It's nice. Your lips has become red. You should see that. You have eaten the beetle leaves.
Yes.
That's how they used to put them. It is red enough. Then you keep it there. So you do again from the ornaments what all she's wearing. Once again. taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi. Her nose ring.
Oh.
Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Then you must see how this is. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Then what about the rings?
Yes.
When you're coming to the hand, it should be rings. Taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu.
Kadimmi.
Janu. Now the flowers. It's nice. One flower you can just throw because it's not nice.
Not nice.
This is not nice. You can throw and then start doing the veni. Taka dimmi, taka janu. You can smell the veni and put it on your head. Taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Yeah. Now you walk. Taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu, taka dimmi, taka janu. Dimmi, taka janu. Then put it. Then you take out this.
No, वो left side okay.
Left side you have to see. And then take the belt, put it. And then you are hearing something. No. It is not. Okay. Then you are putting the belt. Yes, up till that. Then what you do is you take out another box, sit down. Pan. Yes, you have to take out another box. Sit down. Takka dimmi. Then takka dimmi, takka jana. You start munching it all the while till you do the rest of the pan. You keep it there. Then take out this. No. Everywhere rose water. No? Keep that also. You keep that plate aside. Now take the mirror and see. No, you should do. Smile and see. Little bit. Yes. Then you keep it. Till then. Okay? Then you hear. Then you go near the door. Right? Takka dimmi, takka janu, takka dimmi, takka janu. You go, just walk near the door. You hear a knock. Then you walk near, go running, open the door. What? You are opening the door as if he has come.
Okay.
Then your face changes. You open the door. What? Then she will give the letter. And you read the letter. Keep reading. As you are reading, you are getting angry. That breathing becomes. Then you squeeze the paper. Throw it. Do that motion. Tuck, 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 you must run. Open. What? She gives a paper. The letter you read. Then you are very, very, very upset. Then and throw it. Then the song starts. Cheli netlu సహించునే సెలినేట్లు సహించునే చలినేట్లు సహించునే. She's angry there. Sahinchune. No, she swallows the anger. Sahinchune. Then only chaline. Now I have a question to ask you. You said it could be Virahotkanti.
Virahotkantika.
Is this Virahotkantika? It gives you a doubt.
Yes.
What is a Virahotkantika? She's all the time lamenting, crying. Here she gets ready beautifully. The complete Shringara, the everything she does, and she's getting ready. Then in that point, what happens? She gets angry because her beloved has written a letter saying that he has already gone to somebody's house. He has betrayed her, which means there is a anger, then pain, everything comes. So it is Kantita.
Kandita.
Yes. Although she doesn't scold him directly, she likes him. She likes him. Not that she doesn't like. But at the same time, she's been cheated. She's been betrayed by him. So it is Kantita Nayaka.
Not
So
very
this song, Javali, is Kantita Nayaka. Okay? Don't confuse with the
Virahotkantika.
Vinod Kantita or any other.
In Virahotkantika, she is in totally pain.
Pain.
And
Yeah.
when he came,
Yeah.
she didn't know.
In Vipralabha, because she might think that he will come back
He will
one
come
day.
back.
But this, she doesn't know whether he is going to come back. Maybe he is gone forever. We don't know. Maybe she will decide that she doesn't need him anymore for the betrayal he has done. That only the mood of at that point of time
Anger
is
and pain,
both. And then she's sad also. Why do I do all these things? For whom? For his sake. But then again, it's all gone to waste. So that kind of sadness. So there's anger, then there's sadness, then there's all those emotions into this, because of which all this comes. You understood? Do the last one. Then she hears takka dimmi takka janu. No, little bit only. Takka dimmi takka janu. Then she runs to the door. Dimmi. She opens with so much expectation. Takka dimmi takka janu. Immediately, show me the expression. You open the door. Takka no, still more, try. Then what? Then you're disappointed. There's one maid there standing, Takka dimmi takka janu. Takka dimmi with a question. What? Takka dimmi takka janu. Dimmi takka janu. Dimmi takka janu. Dimmi takka janu. Janu takka dimmi. Then the big size of how dare, the immediate reaction is, how dare, one can do like this. So the big breathing. What is this? Takka dimmi, takka janu. Then she doesn't know what to do. Takka dimmi, takka janu, takka dimmi, takka janu. Takka janu, takka dimmi, takka janu. She throws. Chelinetlu. For initially, cheli won't come. It is just the song will come. Nenetlu. Sahinchune. You can bite your lip thing. Within herself, she is lamenting. Sahinchune. Chelinetlu. Sahinchune. Chelinetlu. How much? Look at her. How much? Chelinetlu. Sahinchune. How much can I handle? So then she goes.
Name starting with.
You start there, you go open the door once again. What? Yes. You read. What is this? For some time you are doing like this, squeezing the hands. You don't know what to do. Inside your hand the letter is squeezed and then that's all. You shun it. Cheli నేనెట్లు సహించునే చెలి నేనెట్లు సహించునే చెలి నేనెట్లు how much నేనెట్లు little bit overacting you should do, otherwise the person sitting in the last bench in the audience, he won't be able to see. చెలి నేనెట్లు సహించునే. She will sob on her shoulder. Okay, the next hand is చెలి నేనెట్లు. How much? సహించునే. సహించునే, you can సహించునే. I cannot bear this. నేనెట్లు సహించునే. Okay, సహించునే చెలి నేనెట్లు. This kind of a status, చెలి నేనెట్లు సహించునే. I cannot bear this. చెలి నేనెట్లు సహించునే. Okay, so how many answers it is, you tell? First is నేనెట్లు సహించునే. నేనెట్లు సహించునే. సహించునే చెలి నేనెట్లు సహించునే. చెలి నేనెట్లు. Then సహించునే. సహించునే చెలి నేనెట్లు. That is the previous one. చెలి నేనెట్లు సహించునే. You walk back. చెలి నేనెట్లు. How much can I bear? నేనెట్లు సహించునే. I cannot bear this. నేనెట్లు సహించునే. No, I cannot bear it. సహించునే. Okay, so till this you practice all the one by one and you remember. Then next class I will teach you the next line.
Okay.
Okay,
Namaste, Didi.
namaste.